Today we're repairing the handle on this steel mug. It's a tall, but the application is pretty common for all these kind of drink containers. I've tried super glue, epoxy. So we're gonna bring in the heavy hitters, JB Weld. We're gonna try this out and see how well it works. It's a quick fix and easy to do. Here's the cup. The first thing you need to do is take the handle off. And there's a seam here. Take a screwdriver or a sharp edge, get under there and pop it off. It's pretty resilient, you don't have to worry about it too much. Take this screw off the bottom. And you want to make sure that you've taken a file and really cleaned off the area and roughed it up a little bit that you're going to repair. Same thing on the handle. And the other thing is the handle doesn't go on like this. It goes on like this. Makes more sense to me that way. Put this to the side and then mix yourself up some JB Weld. You want to have equal parts. This is older stuff, so hopefully it's going to work. So this is what they call the steel. Probably pea size of that, and then the hardener. So approximate the size of both. One's black and one's gray. Then take your popsicle stick and mix them together. And it should be a lighter gray if the proportions are right. So I'm going to take the handle with the broken piece and I'm going to apply a coating. It may seem like a lot, but you want it to stick. So then I'm going to use the bottom as the guide and set the top. Now I'm going to put the screw back in the bottom. Check it, make sure it's straight up and down, side to side. Take this little contraption I made with 3 toothpicks, put a little more on top there. Take the handle, you've got 2 seams on both the top and the bottom. Push down on it and pop it in place. Hold it there for a little bit more. And if you want, you can take a nail or something and clean up the bottom. It takes 4 to 5 hours to set, 15 to 24 hours to cure. It's the next day. About 24 hours ago, I set the JB Weld. You can see that I have these bungee ties. I've made a whole bunch of them. I use them all the time. If you're interested in how to make your own, each tie costs about anywhere from 10 to 20 cents, and you can use them for all sorts of things. I'll post the video up here and down below. I'll zoom in on the final bond space so that you can kind of see what it looks like. The cup I repaired a year and a half ago is still going strong. This stuff is magical. Wear gloves because JB Weld is a chemical thing, and if you're really sensitive to that, you want to make sure you wear gloves. I'll post all the materials and the tools used in this video down below so that you can be as successful as I am on this easy DIY project. JB Weld takes time to harden. So if you ever have a question on how your JB Weld is doing on your project, you can check out your implements. In this case, my toothpick and my popsicle stick, and where I did the mixing, this is hard, is a good indication of what your bond is doing. And this thing, if it's anything like the other handle I repaired, will probably last better than anything else I've tried. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of repairs to home goods, to your house, outdoors, backyard, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, aviation history, starting that up. Now that I'm retired, I got all sorts of stories to tell to those that are interested. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what sticky, strong, forever solution you're gonna see.